So today we're gonna be doing a mukbang in bed eating checkers. So let's get started. I'm kind of hungry. I don't know about you. First, I'm gonna start with wings.
I'm gonna start with fries because that's pretty good.
Yeah, me too. And the sauces we have is, you know, just one sauce, which is buffalo. Yeah.
This fries is bomb. It hit different.
So, oh wait, we forgot something we got. So first we got some fries, of course. And then we got a chicken sandwich right here. Bacon and cheese fries. Chicken nuggets and fries. And buffalo wings. So we're gonna be trying this new thing. It's like a shark. It's like a shark gummy bear thing. I don't know what it is.
Yo, guys, I recommend that.
Oh, that's good. It tastes like the ice cream, like when it says birthday cake. It tastes. I know the mermaid. Remember? That's nasty. I don't know.
No, I'm trying to put the chicken nuggets. The chicken nuggets.
That's spicy. Oh, that had black thing in there. It's just a
And we have soda.
You like it?
I didn't take a bite. Okay, so I have it.
So Daddy's gonna try. I'm scared.
The soda that we have is Sprite.
They go try it.
I don't want to. Give me.
Give me some.
It's really that spicy, guys.
Hurry up. Nico, you gotta eat it, Nico.
Guys, try your burger with me.
Ooh.
Guys. That was spicy.
That is like, this is our first time checkers, like. Yeah.
Spicy. Not our first time, but our first time in forever.
This is not like the best. You like it?
It hit different.
It really do hit different, but like.
What? Oh.
Oh,
Ooh, it's spicy.
plus it's a spicy one.
Look at that. We literally got everything spicy.
Oh,
we try the cheesy fries. Yes.
So we're gonna be trying the bacon cheesy fries.
I need to get some sauce, honey. Let me try. Hold up.
I recommend that.
I really do.
That hit different.
It's not that good, but I like it.
It slapped me. Oh, that.
My brother is gonna be trying some of our foods too, so if you see hands, that's my brother's.
We should have got ranch.
I can't really taste it because my mouth is numb, but
Mine too. My mouth is like.
I could kind of taste it, but like not like how I actually taste them.
Yeah. I think. Would you guys got the angry one?
Medium.
That's spicy.
It's spicy though. Brother.
The nuggets are good. Is that a shit? Oh no. The nuggets are good. I like it.
It doesn't look spicy, but it is.
This is spicy. This is really spicy, guys. The fries are good. I recommend this. Good. I must say my favorite out of all of this is the fries. The least thing I don't like is the wing.
The fries?
Wait, that's actually kind of good
not
now.
that bad. Give me the soda.
Right now.
Which fries? Oh, we have one behind. We have lights. Lights sound like Allison.
Really? It's hot. That's hot, the temperature. And then my mouth is hot from.
Oh, we also have Sprite. Forgot to mention that. We have.
I
I checked that.
You literally also said that.
It's like slippery. I can't get it.
It's hot.
This chicken is rubbery.
That's what I say. I'm just full. I'm not done.
There's a hair on my freaking thing. Hey, why are you showing it? There's a hair on my thing.
The fries are like a 7 out of 10.
Woo! That was spicy.
Y'all saw how that came out? These chicken nuggets are the best. That's so much sodium. That?
What was that?
My back hurts.
I'm gonna poop after this. I'm not for a fact. Nanny.
Guys, go away, get off me. Why does my back hurt bad?
My poop comes.
I recommend this.
Go, take all your fries. I already have.
Look, I already have nothing.
No, it wasn't my first time. I ate it with salad before. And her too. But
This is spicy.
my second.
The fries are good, but like it's too salty. Like we don't have spinach salad.
I'm really tired.
Ugh. The chicken doesn't go with the buffalo sauce. About it is not this dry.
But it's good. And at the same time, it's
Don't forget to give it a thumbs up.
yeah, please.
Thumb up. That's not good now.
Why did they put this over the jar? Where's the soda?
Over there.
Get
The fries are like, it's like when you're dying of hungriness, you want to eat it. They're like, when you're hungry, I would not want to do that. This, I'll give it a 3.
After that, a 5.5.
I'm so mad that we're not going out because this virus, no one want to get exposed from
She
that.
did my teeth from the chicken nuggets.
What do you think this is? So like
We were saying.
we were saying, this virus is going crazy.
Yeah.
It is.
And I don't really like staying home and doing homework and all that. I just don't really like this. I don't like the situation going on right
The
now.
new world. So and
Yes.
do you have any course? Any class or something?
Somewhere like TikTok.
TikTok.
I don't have one. I don't
The feet is for me.
The feet is for me, yeah. Mike.
Oh, she like slimed up Mike. Kobe.
Oh, Kobe.
So her TikTok crush is K Breezo. Mine is K Breezo.
Mine is K Breezo and Slime them up. That Mike. Whatever. What's his name?
Slime that Mike.
Slime the Mike.
Mine is Derek M. Kobe. Derek Jed. I mean
Trend.
Okay, so
You go away. You didn't say yours.
check her
Same
video.
thing.
Who is that TikTok best friend? Like
Mine is like. I don't know. That's fine. Mine is. It's me, Jaylene.
it's me and okay, mine is obviously Jasmine. Yeah, Jasmine. That's her name. Her. So shout out to you, bestie.
Mine is my cousin.
Yeah, they both have the
It's me,
same.
Jaylene.
No, it's me. It's
Yeah. Jaylene, yeah.
okay. So we're gonna. Oh, sorry.
Yeah, put on the side. The side, you know.
So TikTok has changed my life. Like, when I tell you, it inspired me. Like, I lost 100 pounds because I used to weigh 200, and I lost.
She's lying.
I didn't have my land.
You sound mad dumb. You never even lost weight 200, you dumb.
Yes, I do. My face got skinnier. You guys could think about it. It got slimmer.
Are you dumb? Everybody got same hair doing in your
Okay, so like I said, TikTok changed my life because like before I already watched YouTube and everything like that, but now
That's true.
okay. So our TikTok account, TikTok account will be on the screen or link in the description. So and our Instagram will be in the screen and link in the description. So like it will be a miracle if you guys get us to 1K. To go live to like shout you out. We're just gonna shout you out. Well, okay, whoever follows us will get a shout out.
I feel like I'm.
Period.
So we actually made a video when we were little. Only me and her, not her. We were in the bathroom. And our brother told us to go in the bathroom to do a video. And I was like, what they doing? And then they were like, I'm not gonna do nothing. I swear to God. I bet you they were doing this. And I went over there and my brother was in the bathtub with this scary doll head.
I was fighting.
And they were putting it in the corner of the curtain. And then he said, and he did this face behind the camera, and I was like,
No,
let me burn.
look at you in the camera.
Oh yeah, we do still have the doll. I will show you, but I can't.
Hey guys, the doll has dead lice in it.
No, it doesn't have dead lice.
That's what scares me.
It has lice eggs.
It's the lice for me. That's nice because, ooh, Chris, get away from me. I swear to God, Chris.
Stop
Wait!
it. Oh!
Oh, my phone!
Guys, look.
It's not even that one. It was blonde.
Well, it was kind of like this. It had blonde hair.
It has gray hairs. Okay, guys, so wait. Let me see them. This is a
Look at the lights, like.
Scary
look,
girl.
Look at the look. It's light.
look on the side.
Like, go put it like.
Ah! So that's nasty. I
Okay.
need to wash my hands.
So we're gonna keep asking questions. Eliani,
Yes. Ask her the cushion.
expose one of your secrets.
Why not? Okay. Ooh, I almost messed up the bag.
Hurry up.
I already did a little.
Okay, I'll start.
Okay, I have one. One time.
Not that one.
You know.
What did I say then? Okay, so there was this one time I was in class and I peed my pants. Wow.
No, and you did poop on your pants.
I did poop in my pants too.
In first grade, I remember, and then one of our
First
science
grade.
teacher gave her pants.
Yeah, I remember.
Okay, how about you, Nicole? Ooh, peek the edges. Peek the edges. Story time. One of her classmates came out the bathroom, you know,
Naked.
without no underwear, nothing. He ran across the hallway,
Naked.
dancing, putting his leg up, and didn't he twerk one day?
He had
Yeah.
poop in
He
his
did that
butt.
2 times, and he had
Yeah, toilet
he had
paper.
gaki crust, and yes, he had toilet paper, and he was dragging it. And then my mom had to change him inside the bathroom. And plus, this is in pre-K, so my mom was assistant in pre-K, so she had to help him, obviously. So she changed him to everything, and that was Nicole's secret. Well,
Her secret.
you know, this was a mini story time. So
You have an egg in your hair. You have an egg in your hair.
and I stopped lying at
You
it.
have an egg in your hair from the doll. I'm not kidding.
And I swear to God, yeah, I swear to God, my secret that I have a crush in my class. Okay, his name, and I say,
His name is Joshua.
no.
Joshua. Hey, Alicia.
Eliani,
I have to tell you something.
and I have an answer for you.
I don't know. Okay, I'll say one. Yeah, you. Is it true? Say no truth right there. You? Wait, I don't want to say it.
Just say
What is your favorite store to shop at? No. Hey.
I like to shop at Hollister.
Why am I playing with this? Oh.
Have y'all got in a fight before?
Yes.
With who?
Bunch of times.
Like fighting is arguing, not it's not arguing, it's
Fist fight.
fighting.
You gotta say
like
fist
with-
fight.
Fist fight, whatever.
Face fight. With my sisters, obviously, yes. So yeah.
And you know who gets who won?
Me.
Lenny?
Me. No, she just be dragging me across the floor. That's it. We're done eating.
That's the end of the video.
Don't forget to leave a comment, like and subscribe, and turn on the notification
And
bell.
give us a
So you
big
get
thumbs up.
notified every single time I make a new video.
And don't forget to give us a big thumbs up. And don't forget to comment down below three crowns. And comment down below how you guys find us on YouTube.
Okay, bye.
Bye. Peace.
Peace.